In 1978, a serial killer appeared on national television looking for love, and almost no one knew. Rodney Alcala had already been convicted of child assault. He was actively murdering women across California, but somehow he walked onto the dating game, flashed a wide smile, and won. He called himself a photographer. It was the perfect cover. His hobby gave him a reason to approach women alone, to earn their trust, to get them somewhere private. The bachelorette who picked him, Cheryl Bradshaw, refused to go on the actual date. She said he gave her a creepy feeling. That instinct may have saved her life. Alcala went on killing. He wasn't stopped until 1979. Decades later, at his third trial, he represented himself in court. He personally cross-examined one of his surviving victims. He spoke about himself in the third person, as if he were a stranger. He was convicted of 7 murders. The real number is likely much higher. The dating game footage still exists. Watch it, and you'll understand why some things are impossible to unsee.